You can earn $1 to $3 per 1,000 views.
Wow!
Stop wasting hours mindlessly scrolling on your phone. You can turn the same time into real money on YouTube. You don't need a fancy cameras or big budgets, just patience and a little effort. Create videos people love, grow your channel, and see the cash roll in. After 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will start paying you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to start your channel, 5 ways to make money, and secrets to grow fast on YouTube. So let's get started. So how to start your channel? Step number 1, pick your passion. What do you love talking about? Step number 2, plan your 5 first videos. Try to keep them simple and valuable. This is important. Step number 3, for editing your videos, you need these 3 free tools. First, CapCut for editing. Second, Pixels for free videos. And the last one, Canva for making your thumbnails. Step number 4, upload consistently. Even once a week is great to start. So 5 ways to make money on YouTube. Number 1, YouTube will pay you per views. For long videos plus 8 minutes, YouTube will pay you after monetization, like after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time. You can earn $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. Promote products, earn commissions on sales from your links. Number 3, sponsorship deals. Brands will pay you to promote their products. And number 4, sell your own products, like ebooks, courses, guides, and sell this to your trusted audience. So hear me out. Consistency and uploading is the key to success on YouTube. Patience pays. Every popular YouTuber started at 0. Engage with your audience. Reply, ask, and build a community. Use YouTube Studio. See and learn what works. You don't need expensive gears. You just need patience and hard work. You are actually building your future. So trust yourself and start today. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more. The best time to start your YouTube journey is right now. Your first video could change your life. So go and make it happen.